Hello my dear student, today let's continue on our third chapter biology, that is reproduction. So in this chapter, we will see what is the importance of reproduction and the various mode of reproduction. There are differences between the various mode of reproduction. Reproduction types ana slide reproduction की definition So what is reproduction? Reproduction it is the process of giving birth to young ones species species to continue life process reproduction So reproduction helps in continuity of their race. Slide my points Reproduction is a process in which organism produce new individual to continue its own race. And in this process, the organism make its copies. Masagi same race reproduction process produce copies so it helps in the continuity of their race. So there are mainly two types type reproduction the first type is asexual reproduction and the second type is sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction broadly So in asexual reproduction there is no fusion of the gametes. Gametes reproductive cells. Reproductive cells fuse there is no fusion of the male and female gametes. So in this asexual reproduction, it is a rapid method, method as compared to the sexual method, and there is no fusion of the gametes. So there is no fusion of gametes. That is why there is no recombination, or you can say hybridization. Purity to maintain In asexual reproduction, the purity is maintained. The purity of gene is maintained, or you can say the offspring produced by the asexual reproduction are genetically identical to their parents. Asexual reproduction it is a reproduction in which the parents, only one parent, can give to a offspring without the fusion of the gametes. So let's go to the next slide. There are many types of asexual reproduction. Fusion my offspring produce reproduction types various modes. And the first budding. Budding is new individuals are produced by formation of bud. But membrane outgrowth macha ama tholani outgrowth tongamba outgrowth macha ama tholani adugi tholaiba outgrowth to da magi parent body da yauriba cytoplasmic material, or you can say nucleus pisan kharni aduga later when they get mature they will detach from the parent body. So masigam phazab example you can see in yeast hariba microorganism se mangonda budding process se phazana chathaiba diagram yeast ki cell yeast ki cell nucleus next b nucleus se division my cytoplasm cytokinesis site later birth se mature next a single parent yeast cell can give to a number of daughter cells. So it is very much seen in the yeast. The budding process is very much seen in the yeast. So next type of asexual reproduction is fragmentation. Fragmentation asexual reproduction types the parent cell divides by forming septa, or you can say cell wall. My parent body cell wall formation my body do fragmented they will be separated piece by piece. Fragment later they can give or they can rise to a new individual. hojiki fragment machadu dugi amu new individual amu oiba ngamba masigi type se akoina kadai da fajana uba phangi har kan Spirogyra hariba filamentous algae sida uba phangi ko. So let's continue to the next type of asexual reproduction. So here you can see sporulation ko. Sporulation haiba type ma leire masida kaida wi har kan da there is formation of spores. Spore formation la kaniba. So what is spore? Spores ka ino har kan di spores are minute ka structure which have the cytoplasm and nucleus. Some na haiba to ko masi cell amane mangonda cytoplasm ne nucleus ne yaure aduga mai cover se heart oba cover ama kopsalaga leramani spore haije which can rise to a new individual smile oiba ngamba. So in the sporulation process there is formation of spores which are in numerous number magi masing spores amani khatana they form tawdoi a vast number of spores will be formed in sporulation. So here sporulation tawriba organisms sing se kana kana no do yengasi ko ne hoji picture da urmani ahambada na bread mold ure ko sise day to day life urba kangbu ni next urisna green moses kangbu ko lower plants kangbu sing se makhoi su sporulation tawe adagi last ki sina ferns su khoi gi urung morom da hobone ko makhoi se moist area gumba da ko so lobo jaga da magi leaf ki underside ta blackish oina feather fluffy like oina pak up aga yaudu neba ko adu dono yang sporulation tawre hena khangdu neba adu ge later makhoi gi hojiki spore form tor matung dagi atoppa magi type of reproduction ama mula kani edu they will be discussed in the sexual reproduction in plants ko later on. So how the sporulation bu like next khoina vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction it is a type of asexual reproduction in which an organism amana or you can say plants the plants the magi vegetative part you can say root stem even leaves and buds simayam na koina sidagi mai anongba plant ama develop tobo ngamba masigi poche koina khangabani na plant kidadi sumaina mai vegetative part tagi koina lauraga plant ama oiba ngami habji khangbani na we can perform artificial propagation also knowing this the techniques khangabani na ana koina economically important plant hayab tang ba fazaba magun or even medicinal plants siguma se koina sumaina magi vegetative propagation gi types use toroga koina sando eba magi char se as for example koina jasmine loro grapes loro the rose loro makhoi sing je koina vegetative reproduction gi method seasoner ga propagate taweba ko now you see the picture also is the koina grafting haiba method je ko it's nothing koina two plant gi part lorani ko ahamba magi stock height na magi roots ka stem go do oirani ba adu khoina hojiki variable quality yawa magun yawa hojiki rose thaironi phajaba rose ko adu gum koina satlaning idana adu idi adu ma pot se mangoda hapchalani ba variable character yawa pot se kogi skion se haidi skion korni ko adu gum si stock na koina grafting majam te yochalaga koina semani ba aduga sina grafting technique ama laire ko aduga next uriba pictures na koina kai hare sina propagation through the kai tare magi branches te to wa ba tare ko masi se koina jasmine da urni jasmine da di magi branch se koina lower ni dana ko lower kan se da koina branch tan tarak pase leiba na phumjal kan da phumjal bado matam kharigi matung da phumjaliba part to adudagi roots develop tobo ngame ba jasmine mo kangbu se ana sigumba icham chamba hatar irai laiba process sina maram oidana vegetative reproduction is very useful to propagate the plants smaina laire. Let's go to next type next type the kona micropropagation haragadi it is a technical propagation have is handokko to propagation of plants from cells or maybe tissues or maybe organs cell plant ki magi part smaller parts you can take cells also tissue machet slower kanda koina machet to dagi number of plants amu develop to hanba using the tissue culture technique. Tissue culture technique haiba masigi process se kuna or can technique se laga micropropagation tawdune ba. Ana tissue culture de kada wi har ganda kuna culture yok pi tap ta ko tawdune sida kuna plant ki magi leaf part lawren khalaji ko hadi atangma plant hadi yamna line vegetative propagation du vegetative reproduction du mane tawba ya khidaba plant ko khara kunse akhigi orchid kumba hairo ko adagi yam value oiba medicinal plant ama oiro ko siguma se dasinai ba maramdi it takes tissue culture takes a lot of time and efforts and it should be done in a laboratory ko situation haitare kogi sterile oiba mafam da tawdabne ba ko mai mutang musu yamna precaution loduni because even if there is germs present in it then there will be no successful tissue culture ko aduguma lairoiba aduna koina tissue culture se tawbada khara effort changbanina koina daka taba or koina hadi yamna valuable photo ne tawdone ba ana so koina plant bagi leaves the lower ni ko lower consider ma se tissue or some septic hydra ko no sterilized vessel gumamda koina you can see test tube to have higher ne ko test tube to the lower ni aduga na magi media haidana media se yaw the my nutrient requirement ke ka to hapjalani ba hormone or ko my regulation lakna ba haidi induce tongna ba ko root growth leina ba adagi stem induce torna ba si mayam se kona magi required amount the hapani ba according to the plan ko hapa kan se da ma se koina phajana uv like changba pham ko lab ki condition amada phajan thambi herni matam khara aduga matam after some days ko you will observe a formation of callus you can see in the picture di ko phajana so hamba a parts na koi log bazaga ko adagi b parts na callus formation la ine ba callus formation se koina callus haibisi kaino hakanda it is a mass of undifferentiated cell haibadi kaino masak khangdriba adugi stage su da ma se aziki yellowish obako magi mass of cells kari hadi mana sina magi leaf or magi stem or my root or have a differentiate tawdriba matam stage sune bako callus formation hai se so again I repeat callus is a mass of undifferentiated cells yare ko next adugi callus formation la aga de kun anongba media madamu hapani ba which contain another hormones required at that time matam du damagi the development or ko thuna ko induce ade my differentiate tong na bodam tamating pangata ba koina dakata ba magi potlam sing do happy ni ba media sida ko aduga matam khare matung da magi planets matang masa develop to horani ba plam samta develop to horani adu kan na koina adi tawri ba ko koina phajana magi plants do amam tang thoga magi matang sa hadi magi phajabam hadi mana dakata ba pot ama sembi raga ko magi nutrient ka ma hapchalaga ade plant do yok ba hoba yare ba hadi tha ba hoba yare ba ko ana masi da tha ba da su koina hekta mapane te putho tha dong nate koina si se greenhouse kumbam da ko hana pajan thamani pajan maintain torni magi temperature ka mayam da torni adu kana kharga jawra kanda hardening process na ma lai ri ba ko hadi direct thajalu ni ma se khuida gi ba hadi atmosphere da harsh ibn mapan gi do environment do harsh ibn ma de lep da torok ni ko adu gi differences to the adaptation lak na bidamak ta ma the hardening process na apanda munga puthok pa ampusan ba puthok pa saman daraga ma se phajana char ama oine semdo kanda yare har kan khona mapan thadok ko dobuni ko sumaina hadi process sangmani na tissue culture is very useful in some point ko but at the same time it takes some effort to the kata eba sumaina le aduga my advantages to bahar ga dekhona plant gi part macha ama khatang do adu dagidi many number of plant sandopang amedana ko sisi magi khaitare advantage amani ba ko si cellular to potency aziki plant ki cell macha ama or plant ki tissue macha ama dagi atopa koina ko mal koina cell hai je magi reproductive cell na te dana hadi reproductive cell leaf part dagi na te dana ko hadi leaf part reproductive cell na te dana leaf part is busy magi somatic cell chingdu ne banatra ana somatic cell ama dagi anoba koge plant ama ohen mangambagi magi capacity se ability se sibukuna cellular totic potential hai ni ba so cellular totic potential de kaino hai kanda is the ability of the somatic cell to rise to a new individual ya ba simone bhabta hore ko so here the next topic is parthenogenesis. The parthenogenesis has it is also an asexual type of reproduction. Maramdi, there is no fusion of gametes, as an individual can develop from an unfertilized egg. Parthenogenesis haibadi hoigi unfertilized egg amadagi individual ama develop tawba ngamba masibo kuna parthenogenesis na hairagani ko. It is seen in some animals and plants. Kogi plants kharasu ui ko aduga animal kharasu ui. Animals khara hairagadi you can name aphids ko wahik haiba wahik hairo ko, even they are polyphagous ko makhoi diyo rose to sulun pa amani dagi even mustard ko hangam gida matam sam sam rum yaudu makhoi je aphid ne ko adagi atopa kun animal hairagadi bees ko mai bees kangbu termites kangbu makhoi sing shu lo ni ma parthenogenesis se tawe maram asina asai moi caste system ga lakhibedo ko ada koina fertilize ta hodaba egg singduna kai develop tawe ka leibedo ko sumain leire. So next kuna plant kida kanano parthenogenesis tawise na har kanda kuna karing sing bata kana tomato family ko solanaceae tomato ambu se makhoi shina unfertilized egg take dum develop tawba hoba aduna tomatoes yang ho do hadi am line adum ho bani ko. So smile later, let's go to the next heading. Hoje khoi mamang da ko mamangi ko ai ta khibada asexual reproduction की types खरा ताए को हौजी sexual reproduction की types से specifically in plant हम येंग से बा plant sexual reproduction से कमाइन तो हाय बस येंग से दुना कुछ खंगा तो बस plant flowering plant है बम लरे non flowering plant है बम ले साप कांगबु ले साता कांगबु को and so lower plant higher plant and the lower plant से दी मखोई दी flowers तो सातरे कमाइन sexual reproduction तो बा नत्रा अना अखोइना स्पाइरोगेरा से निजंग स्पाइरोगेरा ममांग दसु याउखिबा को filamentous green को algae मसी से कदबे हाय कांदा conjugation हबा process को हाइबदी body contact clear कांदा मागी gametes को सिंदो exchange तोबा को you can see now yengon the picture de ko je picture ne ure filament ani ko changchale kanda makhoina contact clear thangnare ko adu kanda magi tube conjugation tube ama form tawre adu kanda last ki male gamete singdo amo female dam da special laga koi fusion tawre the jago formation ki damakta ko siguma type se koina lower plants uba phangi. So there is fusion natra fusion laibanina it is sexual reproduction ya ko atopa type tam yenga se milk kano ki se milker gi dam gametangel contact no ki textbook ta kano pi bune ko diagram yaw bune gamete sing do contact lei ba do kana magi thadok hadi magi gamete sing thadoga exchange tongnaga ma fusion do ba sida koina ferns se local ase ferns se na it is a very familiar plant hai tare udo uba plant he ba do na sing matang da koina mu yenga se ko ana picture de yango sida ferns the spores thol edana thola kan sida magi prothallus haiba sigi heart like hai tare ko sigi shape sigi ama develop tawre masi se hector spore hector ba hector develop to bongam de ko magi favorable condition ama lakhani ba haidi moi nong ba yam ta ba se nong ba ta kan sida magi ising sina na transport to ne ba natraga di magi ngasai gi gamete sing do transport to bongam de ko se lakani kai ngam din ha kan da magi male gametes to mortal oil hadi mortal oil di engine to odom ne ba ko aduna water sina water is the currency of to flow ko smile le aduna prothallus sida magi archegonia part sina ko gi non mortal hadi leng mangam da ba dum ko leng dana le dun ni sina female gamete oil ni aduga magi antheridia sina magi male mortal gamete oil ni masagi ising do le matung sida ko mana antheridia sina hojiki archegonia tamna satlakanda fusion tawdone ba adu kanda da when there is fusion ko the prothallus will give rise to high tire prothallus tagi khoi hoji plant le macha thopa urani ba ko agi fern anoba ma haurani ba hauragani ba. So sida ko gi lower plants ta chathari ba sexual reproduction sing do koina khange dona let's go to the higher plants or you can say flowering plants kang budong yeng asiko. So in the flowering plants, flower act as the reproductive structure. Flower have a plant dugi reproductive structure ne ba ko. Adu da sida khoi flowers the ningjang asi flower can be categorized into two: unisexual flower and bisexual flower. Unisexual flower se hana khangasi uni have the one have na aduna mangon de dine khoi male and female gametes ani gamete har ko magi male and female parts se yaude ba ko either one of it is present in the unisexual flower habidi magi maybe khoi androecium yaugera natraga gynoecium yaugera ani makpuna yaude ba aduna bu ma se unisexual flower haine ba aduga koina bisexual flowers de dine ani mak yawe ba ko male part yawe female part yawe ba ko and let's zoom into the picture da jum tor ko yengo ko sida urni ko da koina sin ko yam familiar of the picture ni ko dum udana la ba masi yengo sida kai dere middle part ko middle swollen yawa part se sisna ko gi female part orani female part ko ne kari hare kanda gynoecium harani or mase kai hare to pada female part na tradu magi simu my part party yingzi mathak thang majaga sne stigma haibasi magi da sugary substance ama yaw madam asna masi sticky ori bane ko adai magi makhok khai tare ko stigma de kumthara kana magi mangak mapa haigadra sisna style hayani aduga makhagi magi swollen parts na ko ovary ko si harani so sida ko female part lere nakan da yawri ba parts na ko na male part or androecium da ko na magi part se amugi ng ko hambai mathakta magi pollen secrete pollen yago duri ba mapas na ko enter part lere next magi ko ne filament lere mathang da gidi ko na as the petal lerni dagi sepal lerni petal se karina kanda ko flake like apparatus on act away because they are colorful ko petal ko gi laina da ko amasi se sidane ba ko na lay color se they act like a flag ko habidi insects na pollination tawge hadi mo khoigi enter mo khoigi ka tare pollination tawba lakpada uba phanghan ba do flag apparatus on act to level masina ana next magi sepals sepals na ko do we kanda mana they will hold or it will hold the floral parts ang sai yaw parts me am do mana makho oin tar hole oin tham ga do ni ba ko they are green in color sila u phange so koina ovaries mo jumin tar ga yeng asi ovaries da ka yawre ovary ki manong da ovule yawre ko ana sida no gi basic ko complete flower amagi matang da laikre